This is the new UED-40 spray gun cleaner. It features the new AutoCube Automatic wash area at the back of the cabinet, and also a manual wash facility with a flow-through brush, manual clean rinse, air blowgun on the side, and our unique inline filtration technology. So let's take a look at some of the features and the benefits of this system. The AutoCube at the back is an automatic washing facility where you can clean a gravity-fed spray gun and cup inside that cabinet. At the same time, you can also then use the manual flow-through brush to clean a second spray gun. There is a rinse facility at the back here to clean rinse the spray gun at the end of the cleaning cycle. An air blowgun on the side to help dry the spray gun. The machine is made of strong 304 stainless steel, non-magnetic stainless steel, high grade and good quality, strong, robust galvanized steel base with our inline filtration technology, the little blue filter. What this system does is it continuously filters the cleaning solution underneath the machine, removing the paint particles from your cleaning solution. By doing this, it improves the cleaning performance by delivering cleaner fluid to the wash area. It removes those waste paint particles and extends the fluid's life. Benefits from this is that it reduces your VOC emissions and reduces your CO2 emissions. Ultimately, reduces the running costs for the spray gun cleaner. One of our customers, Airbus, saved 2,650 litres per year by using the inline filtration technology. The UED-40 spray gun cleaner is available for solvent-based or water-based cleaning. If you would like more information, please visit our website www.unic.co.uk or email us sales@unic.co.uk. We look forward to hearing from you.